Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can unlock your iPhone 11 from AT&T so that you can use it on any other carrier. All right, let's go. So you may have an iPhone 11 from AT&T and you may want to unlock it to use it with another carrier because you want to change plans, but your iPhone is locked to AT&T so it doesn't work with other carriers. It gives you the SIM not supported message. Or you may want to travel overseas and you need your iPhone to be unlocked so that you can use it with a carrier overseas. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock your iPhone 11 so that you can use it with any other GSM carrier. All right, and I'm going to have all the links in the description of this video down below where you can get the unlocked SIM that we're going to use to unlock the iPhone in this video. All right, let's continue with the video now. And so this one is AT&T. It's activated. It has a SIM card in it, AT&T SIM card. So I'm going to show you how to unlock it so you can use it with any other carrier you wish to use it with. So first off, let me show you what happens when you place a SIM card into it that is from another carrier. For example, this one that I have right here, which is T-Mobile. All right, we're going to place it in the SIM card tray right there. It's going to take us now to an activation screen since the phone is locked. It's going to say activation required. You're going to have to connect to Wi-Fi and you're just going to follow the steps here and it's going to try and activate, but it's not going to because the phone is locked to AT&T. So it's going to say SIM not supported. When a phone is locked to any carrier and you place a SIM card from another carrier, it's going to give you this message. This is the SIM not supported message. So I'm going to show you now how we're going to unlock this. Pretty simple. So let's remove the SIM card real quick. First thing I want to mention is you need to make sure you're on the latest iOS. So right now, the latest one at this moment is 13.3.1. And as you can see, this one is on the latest one. And then the other thing that you need is you need to be connected to Wi-Fi, like I mentioned, and you need to have your SIM card that you want to use already. So you need to have the SIM card that you're planning on using. The one that I'm going to plan on using on this phone is this one that I just installed right now. So we are ready to go. So what we're going to need to unlock it is this special black unlock chip. And it's going to be linked in the description down below where you can get this exact one. And this is the latest one, the one that is actually working right now on the latest iOS. So you need to make sure that you get the correct unlock chip. There's a ton of them out there for sale, but most of them don't work because they're outdated. So you need to make sure you get the right one. So what we're going to do once you have the unlock chip, you're going to place it right here like this on the SIM card tray. You're going to hold it like this a little bit below the metal prongs of the SIM card. And you're going to hold it like this with one finger. And we're going to place it in carefully and slowly into the SIM card tray. And you're going to see that the black unlock chip is going to go in first like that. It's perfect. And then just push it in completely. Give it a couple seconds, maybe a minute or two, and it's going to read it. It may take a minute or two at the most. So I'm going to place it right here and we'll give it a little bit for it to read it. It could take 2 or 3 seconds or it could take up to a minute. If you see that it's taking longer than a minute, then I suggest you open up the SIM card tray, position the unlock chip correctly, and place it back in to try it again. Okay, so it is still saying no chip. So we're going to try it one more time. Let's remove the SIM card tray. We're going to position the black unlock chip sticking out a little bit from the SIM card tray like that. And then once you see that the black chip is in there ahead of the SIM card, then we're going to push it in. So here we're going to give it a couple seconds, maybe maximum up to a minute, and it will read the SIM card. Right now it's saying no SIM, but give it a few seconds. And there we go. After a couple seconds, you should see this message pop up, and we're going to select this third option right here, which says cyber mode. Here we're going to select cyber manual 2. And then here you're going to want to make sure that you have the correct ICCID typed in. It's also going to be in the description down below. But right now this is the latest one. So we're good there and we're going to hit send. Once you hit send, it's going to give you this message that says okay. So just hit accept. And now the phone will be at the home screen. So we're going to give it a couple seconds and it's going to take us back to this activation screen. So you're going to go through the setup steps here and we're going to give it a couple seconds once again, maybe up to a minute, and it will unlock and take us to the home screen. And there you go. Like I said, it will unlock and take us to the home screen. Once we're here, all we got to do is go to settings, go to cellular. Here you're going to go to cellular data options first. Make sure that enable LTE and data roaming is on. Then we're going to go back. We're going to go to network selection. We're going to disable automatic. And then here we're going to select the carrier that we want to use. So whatever SIM card you have in there, that's what you're going to select. So since we're trying to activate it now with T-Mobile, I'm going to select T-Mobile. T-Mobile, and then we're gonna select back, then we're gonna select SIM applications, and we're gonna hit reactivate. It's gonna give us this message right here, signal uploading. We're gonna select dismiss here, and we're gonna swipe up, go through the steps, and give it a couple seconds, and then the phone will completely unlock and pick up signal. As you can see, it's already receiving signal up here. You're probably gonna get this message at first, no worries. Just wait there for a few seconds for the signal to completely pick up, and it will unlock and take us home. And there you go. As you can see, it took us back to the home screen. It's reading the signal now. As you can see, it says T-Mobile now, picking up signal. So now what we want to make sure is I'm going to show you and test everything so that you see that everything will work. All calls, text messages, data, everything will work normally fine. So we're going to go to settings. We're going to go back to Wi-Fi. So we're going to go to settings, go to Wi-Fi. Let's turn off Wi-Fi. And as you can see, after I turned off Wi-Fi, LTE, it's still receiving LTE data. So the data and everything will work. Let's go to the Safari. Safari's loading up. Let's go to a different website. Let's go to Yahoo, for example. There you go. Yahoo is working, and we're not connected to Wi-Fi, so the data's working. Go to Google. There we go. So as you can see, the phone is now unlocked. That is how you unlock your iPhone 11 from AT&T to use it with any carrier that you want to use it with. Go ahead and give this video a like if it helped you out. It really helps me out a lot. And remember, there's going to be links down below in the description where you can get the unlock chip to unlock your iPhone 11. All right, everyone. So that is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. And as always, peace.